And one example that I'd like to talk about in terms of how we are using advanced analytics to empower people is I always like to ask my customers what keeps them up at night. The thing I hear most often is it's their people. And especially here in North America, we have an aging workforce, and mill managers are quite rightly concerned with succession planning and managing that loss of expert knowledge. So we hear the need, and we have worked together with customers to use advanced analytics applications and remote services to address this key challenge, bridge the experience gap, and smoothen that this general transition. So, this is just one example of how advanced analytics and remote services are being used.